Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Jewelry Channel, where we do one of my favorite things. Let's unbox some pretties. I have two items to show you today. I'm very excited to see these myself, and they are rather related, as you'll see. They're more in the delicate plane of jewelry, shall we say. So let's see what we have. This is a 16-inch white gold chain, box chain actually, holding a pink Morganite pendant surrounded by diamonds. So you can see the peachy Morganite is 5 millimeters round, radiant cut of course, prong held on a 14 karat white pendant mounting, surrounded by gorgeous baby diamonds. And I believe the total carat weight is 0.18, so just under a fifth of a carat. Isn't that quite lovely? I am a sucker for Morganite. Give me peach, give me pink, delicate and just understated, but really charming. I hope you like it. So let's actually set our Morganite pendant aside while I show you our next item. There we go. I think that was the right seam. Here we go. A little bit of stuffing, just for protection. Someone took a lot of care wrapping this piece. Let's see. There we go. The suspense is killing me. Yet more tissue. I feel something. There's just look at that. Oh, that is quite lovely. So as you can see, we have J-hoop earrings just surrounded or just engulfed in pink Morganite stones, surrounded with natural diamonds. And yes, these are natural Morganite stones. Let's open its mate, shall we? These are just beautiful. Look at that, my friends. There's a lot of sparkle there. And it looks like 14 karat rose gold. Let's find out how large these Morganites are. They are actually 4 by 3 millimeter, which sounds small, but when you group them together, it makes a lovely statement. And the total carat diamond weight for both is 0.3. So we have a third of a carat of diamonds. Just look at how gorgeous these are. Oh, I am a sucker for Morganite. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, my friends. And thank you so much for tuning in of my unboxing of pretties.